Hey everybody, got my 1.5" Kevin Sorby timber frame chisel. Weather's clearing up. I'm fixing to get back outside and go through and get back on the shop, so I need to do some touch-ups. Go through and mark it. Marking my edge. Doesn't have to be perfect, just need to get the edge there. I've got a 1000 grit Duragold on bottom, 3000 grit on top, and I'm going to touch it up at the end with a strop. I've already got my angle set. Looks good. Didn't need much to start with. I'm going to run the back just a little bit there. Just touched up the back just a little bit. I'm going to flip her over. There we go. Now to strop it. That's it. That's all there is to it. It won't get anything bigger than 2 inches, so your slicks and stuff it's not going to get, but does outstanding on everything else. Appreciate it. Have a good one.